Hi everyone, are you looking for high quality cable lugs and connectors? Today we will introduce you Tianze Electric Power cable lugs and connectors. Tianze high quality cable lugs and connectors. Made from electrolytic copper tube, annealed to optimize ductility. Dimensions are designed to have most efficient electrical conductivity and mechanical strength. Tin-plated to avoid oxidation. Inspection hole, it can see the position of the clamping wire, which is convenient for observation. It is suitable for indoor use. This terminal without inspection hole to prevent water and moisture from entering the clamped joint, suitable for outdoor installation. For different markets, our products meet various industry standards like DIN, Germany standard, NF, French standard, UL, US standard, and many other standards. Okay, now we would like to make a demonstration with one of our cable lugs, the DT185-16ENV. Tin-plated, single hole, past CE certification. Tianze provides not only cable, lugs, and connector, but also hydraulic clamping tools, which is leading in the field of electrical connection, one-stop solution for all our customers around the world. Our lugs, connectors, and professional tools are widely used in electric power, railway, new energy like wind power, and so on. If you would like to find a reliable supplier or would like to know more details about our products, welcome to contact us or like us.